My Tesla has been having a little bit of a clicking sound. This is a 2015 Model S 85B, has been having a little bit of a clicking sound whenever you turn the tires a little bit, whenever it's going slow. So I'm gonna take it into Tesla and we're gonna see how this goes. All right, let's get in here and I'll show you what it is and what it's doing. Listen here and see if you can hear it. So I'm backing out straight here. So as I'm backing out straight, now I turn my wheel. Do you hear that? It's like a little pop. Now there's another. It's only whenever we turn the wheel all the way. Look at this. I pull up here. It already knows that I have a service, and it tells me run it, like just open up the app. And man, this thing is very, very, they just really want customers to be satisfied. So there's a Tesla quick service drop off. All right, I'm here at the Tesla service center. I just had to bring in my new to me, Model S 2015, and it was like every single time I have my tire turned about what it is now, like kind of all the way to the right or left, there was like a clicking sound.